And right here, they did have food for anybody that's a vendor out of here. I thought that was very nice that they got food for people who came out to support their businesses. You know, that was a way to support their business by giving them free food. Now they talking, they ain't playing no music, so I don't really want to go over here. You know, how they get this motivational speaking so people can spend money. I don't feel like going over that part. Oh, yeah, big boy.
That is in community. So we're... Thank you so much.
You have the $5 right here.
You going on a plane? No, we're first one driving.
See, they out here talking. But they talking about passing the plate. This is not church. This is a community event. Y'all tripping.
Commitment to our children.
I think this is so cute that they have this for people who want to take pictures. If you want RVAs, and that is really, really cute. Good thing we came out before they ended it, because it would not be till 9 p.m. like the flyer said. They are getting ready to close down now in a little bit. So even though I didn't get to spend no money, which you would think I'd be happy about that, but I'm not. I didn't get to spend no money or enjoy myself. I did get to see the last minute stuff. And hopefully you guys will shop with those vendors. I try to get everybody's business card for the ones that still had their tents up and stuff. So, guess we got to find something else to do today, me and my baby. They line dancing over there. Black people ain't line dancing, I tell you. And this the thing, a donation that they requested.
Ain't been on the court yet. Muscle to the wall to get me a short set. Yeah, I got all sneaks, but I need a new hat.
So good. I love this place. Follow them on their social media. They show the flavors of the drinks and stuff right here. Strawberry lemonade, they got mango lemonade, cotton candy lemonade, wild berry, blueberry, peach, and blackberry. Patience over here. Hello. You got Sweet Temptations. And this is their clothing. You guys come to support. Sweet Temptations by Teresa. Oh, I got snack, okay. Got the truck and treats out here. And she got cotton candy as well, you guys. Card. This is her menu as well too, and it has a little more in detail what she still has to sell and things like that. The caravan truck. This is the number. You guys want to call it, please. The Jamaican Jamrock Kitchen. This is their information right here, posted on their truck. Okay. And they do have a menu out here. Trying not to get my shadow in the sun. Whew, that was a long walk with the bike and an icy Lord. So anyway, so come to find out that GRTC bus is not for people who gotta walk far and none of that. It's for people who live in the projects on this side of town only. So if you're in Southside, Richmond, or Chesterfield, North Chesterfield, or Henrico, you do not get a ride on a free bus. Sorry. It's only for people who live in the projects on this side of town, which is Mosby Court, Jackson Ward, Creighton Court, and whatever other projects on this side of town that I can't think of. So if you live in Hillside Court, you would not be getting a ride because, baby, that is Southside Richmond. And, yeah, they're only doing it free bus rides for the people who live in the projects on this side of town, which it makes sense. And I still think that that's nice that they're doing that because they don't have to do that. You know, for people who don't have a car, people who walk, catch the bus, whatever. But the good thing is, we're at the bus stop. And it's not far away from the event. It's about a block away from the event, actually. See, the event is this way. So the bus stop is a block away. I'm thinking we're going to eat our ices and then we're going to go back and get some Jamaican food. Because it's just that I'm not trying to, you know, hold my stuff and a bike. So I said, if the bus come while we're right here, we'll get on it. If it don't, we'll go back and get us some Jamaican food. Jamaican or Caribbean, I haven't decided yet. So I just checked and we have 8 minutes. So if we're done in 8 minutes and the bus is coming, we're going to get on it. If not, I'm going to go back and get me some food. Period. I don't care if I'm just holding that bike. The bus coming in 8 minutes. Do you want to go back and get some food in 8 minutes?
No.
You want to go home?
Yes.
Why you want to go home, baby? Such a party pooper. He already said his answer. I just wanted y'all to hear he said his answer. He's such a party pooper. I got icy on my nose because it did hit my nose when he was coming over here. Oh, that's dry skin. The braids don't look so bad now that they old. But yeah, I think that's so nice that they got a bus that come pick up people in the projects, because it's like, just because you live in the projects don't mean you don't want to enjoy it yourself and have fun too. You know what I'm saying? But then it's like, should y'all be picking up people in the projects? Because the people in the projects sometimes be the main ones causing an uproar in events like this. But you know, it's nice that they don't want to leave them out. I think that's real nice. We had to catch 3 buses to get here anyway. And that's not even including going to pick up the bike. It would have took us 3 buses regardless. So, clearly we don't live in the city. But you know, it's still nice to come to events like this. And plus I ain't go to work today, so I wanted to have a family day with my baby. I miss going out with him on Saturdays. And now my life just so consumed with work, you know what I'm saying? But I chose that because I got to get my transportation back. So, it is what it is. But yeah, my second job, I supposed to be at my second job today, but it sucks because today's vlog ain't really about nothing. We ain't really do nothing but go get the bike fixed and come to this event that's get ready to close down earlier than they said it would. But it just feels good to be my baby. I'm just gonna stay on the bus because we literally ready to miss the bus by 3 minutes. I'm so mad about it. So I'm just gonna have to wait. I'm just gonna have to wait, stay on it and ride it home. It is what it is. And look, the bus there, ride with respect, look. The bus being messy. I told my baby, look, and they ain't know his butt cheeks was out. My son said, I looked and now I'm traumatized. So I looked up and I saw that the butt cheeks was out on the man that was dressed like a woman.